In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Perplexity AI as a personal assistant on your mobile phone. So mostly on Android phones, when these phones are manufactured, when you buy them, you have Google Assistant as your personal assistant. And on iPhones too, I think it's Siri or that. I don't use iOS, so I don't know. But then I'm going to show you guys how you can change that to Perplexity AI. Very much simple and easy. So you just need to tap and then you just say something and Perplexity is going to run the search for you online. Simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do that. So tap on your profile there, top left corner of your screen, just tap on that. Let me walk you guys through the procedure. So now let's scroll here, and now you can see assistant. Yes, so we are going to start with the settings. So first, let's enable assistant. So now let's tap on that. Takes you to your Android settings, and you can see assistant app. Depends on the phone you are using, but then you just need to change it to Perplexity. You can see I have ChatGPT installed on this as well, so you can use ChatGPT to do the same too. So I choose Perplexity AI. You get it. It's already chosen, so I come back. Yeah. So I think in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do same for ChatGPT. Now let's come back here. We have that chosen. Yeah. So if you choose a new app, you just need to give it the permission, give it access to do all that. So now let's come back. Good, you can see here. So now we come here and then the permissions, we tap on the permissions and we give all the permission access. Microphone, contact, calendar, phone and all that. You give everything access, you allow all the access. Now let's come back, the capabilities, tap on that. And you can see when you talk here, it's just going to listen and then give you some sort of answer. You get it. Good. Now let's close that too as well. Now let's how to access. So it depends on the mobile phone you are using. So when you long press on your power button, I'm using an LG. When you long press on your power button, for some phones you are going to get assistant. On some phones too, when you swipe on my LG, you need to swipe, or you press and hold your home button. It depends on the phone you are using. So these are the three options. After turning it on, if you want to test it, just long press on your home button. Let me do that for you to see. And you see it popped up. So yeah, that's it on how you use Perplexity AI as a personal assistant. Simple and easy. So lock screen settings, you can tap on that to also make some settings. So send messages and even make calls without unlocking your device. So with this, you just long press your power button and just give it a prompt. So call this number for me, and then it calls, something like that. Simple and easy. So that's it on how you can use Perplexity AI as your personal assistant on your mobile phone. Very much simple and easy. You have any question, you let me know. So one thing you should know is your mobile phone setting is going to differ, but then I think it's quite the same. So you need to grant it all the permissions it needs in order to work properly on your mobile phone or your device. So that's it on how you use Perplexity AI as your personal assistant on your mobile phone. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.